Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad K Sangma hakalai trik yayong ulaya shimmenta hakajingrakhe Golden Jubilee jongka All Meghalaya Karbi Association AMKA hakashnong Purdua Kharpati Ribhoi District hakaba ula Pynbna ban aya kasong jingiarap ka basanko laktingka ban shna ya ka Karbi Cultural Centre. Habakren hakajingalang Chief Minister ulapan kenmau ya kajingno senyang jongki babun kinong yalam Karbi katakom late Valerian Hing Timung, late Jaipo Thang Taro, Dominic Timung, Joy Taro bat Uchikrau Timung kibadan benta hakajingale jongka Meghalaya banyo yala ka jong kajela. Ki kerteng jongki kidang yaisa bat ni hadu menta bat ngin om klet ya kajinglen lade ka jongki. Kino yalam Karbi jongi kila penlut ya kapor da ki babun-bun benai hapo ki patok ban yakhun na ke bentaban penyo ya kejela ka jonga ka bapen pau ya ka jingade ka baklan ha padeng ki pat Karbi bat ka Meghalaya ula ong. Haba ai kuble ya ki dkhot ka AMKA Chief Minister ula ai ka jing itho ya ka jingno senyang jongki nong seng kane ka kunhun ki balatrei hakini ki sanpo snam ban penne pensa ya ka culture barispa jongki nong shong Karbi. Habakren halor ka history bat ka jingelong shipara ka badon hapdeng ki jai bin riu lum ba per ka jela Conrad ula ong ngila bandon ka jingya per ha ka jingdon ki jai bin riu ki bakham he pan Henry kular ya baro ki nong shong ka jela jongi klem ta khen na kanu ka jai bin riu na kanu ka jai niam ka ba pinge bandon ha Meghalaya banlong ki dong shong ka Meghalaya ka penlong ya phi ki ba kongsan kumju hakmat jongi bat kade ka kamram jong wei pa wei unong yalam bat ka sorkar ban pentikna babaro ki kampen roy bat kilat jingya da jong ki hok la penyo shabaro ki nong shong ki basyong basa ha Meghalaya. Nalor kata habapen pau halor ka jingdon kam ban penne ya ki kenhun jai bin riu boper bat ya ka culture Chief Minister ula pen pau ban nakal yang ka sorkar kala beteng ban ajing krisyan ya ki kenhun rit pat boper ha ka jela na kebenta ban penne pensa ya ka culture bat ki jingle jingkam penrai.
At the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the members of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association on this momentous occasion of celebrating 50 years of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association. I also take this moment to congratulate and to remember and also to appreciate the contributions that have been made by the past presidents, general secretaries, members, advisors of the AMCA, because of whom the organization is where it is today and has immensely contributed towards the overall development, the protection, the cultural aspects and different traditions of the Karbi people, especially those who are living in our state of Meghalaya. We have a long history with our Karbi brothers and sisters in many ways. Chikro Timung, Dominic Timung, Valerian Hing Timung, Joy Taro are names that resonate with us even today. These people are Karbi brothers spent months in jail when we were fighting for our statehood. And that's the kind of history that the Karbi people share with the state of Meghalaya. We may have different larger communities and tribes in our state, but let me assure every single citizen of our state that no matter which tribe you belong to, no matter which religion you practice, being in Meghalaya and being a citizen of Meghalaya makes you equally important to us. And it is a duty of every single leader and the government to ensure that all-round development and overall protection and rights are given to all the people living in our state of Meghalaya. The endeavor of this government to ensure that we are able to carry along every single community with us as we move forward. The cultural center, which I also personally feel is something that is important. I have always stressed that without culture, without tradition, without the different dances, without the different clothes, we are nobody. We are just like anybody else. It is our culture that gives us the identity that we have today as Khasis, as Garos, as Rabas, Koch, Hajong, or Karbis. And therefore, I've been supporting our Rabha brothers and sisters. Hajong, Koch, even the Man Association has approached me. And we're helping each one of them. And therefore, taking a cue again from our local MLA, I would like to announce that I will be giving 50 lakhs for the cultural center to be built. We will see how it goes. And as we move along, if more support is required, I assure the President and Secretary and the Association, we will continue to support you. And we will give the necessary funds in order to be able to revive, to keep the culture, to be able to protect it, to be able to allow our youngsters to continue this culture, to learn, to practice, and keep that identity, which is what makes you Karbis. There are challenges. I don't deny that. There are differences. There are complications which have been there for many, many decades. Very difficult to resolve some of them. But while we work towards trying to resolve these very, very vexed issues, there can be an environment of peace, an environment of brotherhood, an environment of respect, an environment where we can live in peace and harmony. In spite of the challenges, and while we work to resolve them, it may take us maybe months or years. One cannot say. We are trying. But if it was very easy, it would have been done many, many years back. But in spite of these challenges and difficulties, in the last many years, in spite of the tension I get calls at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, that some situation is happening somewhere along the border. I don't want to share all of those situations with all of you, but this is what we go through. But in spite of that, I've seen that there has been an effort from the Assam government, the Meghalaya government, and the Karbi Autonomous Council to see how we could at least work, maintain peace, and as I said, work in harmony with each other. There is an area of difference where there are no schools. Children have to study sometimes in open, sometimes in somebody's house, sometimes under the tree. And because of the differences and complications in the border, they never had schools. No building ever in the last 52 years. It is Charles who came to me. He said, "Sir, can we give some school building to them from your Chief Minister's Special Development Fund?" I said, "I have no problem. But we have to take the KAAC and the Assam government into confidence and go ahead with the schools." One phone call I had with Mr. Abhijit, one phone call with Mr. Tuliram, and you won't believe it. In a matter of 2 minutes, we all agreed that the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund money will be used. We will work together to ensure that those children who have been deprived of a school for so many decades will finally get a school now. And today, those schools are being constructed. Those schools are being constructed. And like that, many areas where 5 years back, 10 years back, nobody could imagine that the governments would work together, would try to resolve the problem, would give the development that the people deserve. Today is being made possible. Yes, challenges are there. Yes, challenges will be there.